Craig LaForce, and I'm the Medical Director for North Carolina Clinical Research. Here at NCCR, we help develop medical products from the pharmaceutical industry and get them into the hands of patients who need them. The main focus of the studies that we do here have historically been primarily due to respiratory allergy and asthma. That is, all the asthma medications that you see on the market today were developed by the pharmaceutical industry and then tested here at North Carolina Clinical Research in patients who would use these medications when they came to market. Another example of a disease state and allergy that we treat here is allergic rhinitis or hay fever. So all the antihistamines that you've seen developed over the years and all the nasal sprays that have been available for the treatment of allergies actually were studied here in patients who had significant allergies to be sure they worked, to be sure they were safe. Allergies are a terrific problem in North Carolina, primarily based on the long growing season. We'll have pollen here from late February all the way through to early November, and once that goes away, everybody has their dogs, their cats, and their dust mite allergy. So it's a very terrific problem here in the state of North Carolina. Another clinical focus for us is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. And this is the pulmonary disease associated with smoking. And we've been doing a lot of research. It's a very active phase of our research for clinical trials in new products and medications for smoking-related lung disease. So we look for patients who are diagnosed with COPD in varying stages of disease and try and find trials which would be helpful for them and helpful for the pharmaceutical industry to test the safety and the efficacy of their products. Virtually all ages are studied here at North Carolina Clinical Research. There's a big emphasis on pediatric asthma, for example, and pediatric allergies, so we study children ages 4 through 11. Adolescents are always studied in both asthma and allergic rhinitis. And our adult population of COPD patients is generally fairly old, older than the age of 40, if that can be called old. And our asthma population covers all age groups, as you can imagine. If you have any interest in learning more about clinical trials and participation in them, we can be found on the web at nccr.com.